Alright guys, so after a long 5-hour drive, yes, 5 hours, we have finally arrived here in Pangasinan. Yes, we're here at a resort. RJ booked this entire resort for us. That's right. And when I say us, it's me, RJ's sisters, RJ's brother, RJ's parents, RJ's whole family. They're having a big celebration here at this resort. Oh my, look at this pool. So cool. Yes. And guys, look at that. I don't know what that is. I think that's salt water, but these are mangroves growing on the sides. Just awesome. Yes. In the room now, Ligaya's having breakfast. Well, I guess it's brunch. You're such a messy eater. OMG, a bald Asian. Hey. Check out my room, guys. Beautiful art. You see that? Nice air conditioning, big windows, looking out into the gorgeous property. Love the floors. Big, huge bed, TV over there. Look at this. Stained glass window for the bathroom. Oh, gorgeous. A bald Asian. Hey. RJ's been in here. Alright, RJ, say hi to Mabuhay Squad.
Hi, Mabuhay Squad.
Yes.
Welcome to my home province.
RJ's home province. He's excited. This is Judith. Hi, Judith. And guys, this is RJ's brother, Eddie. Mabuhay Squad has never met you, Eddie. Eddie is an accountant, right? Yes, awesome. Also lives in Manila. Look at all this stuff. RJ's been preparing this for the past like 3 days. Fruits galore. See that?
Has to be healthy.
Has to be healthy. Oh, look at this. Healthy. I see chocolate snacks and stuff. Wow, look at the size of this lollipop.
Some treat.
Awesome. Lots of gifts. Wow. Amazing. So RJ, can you explain to Mabuhay Squad why we're here?
Well, it's our get-together party for my whole family.
Ooh.
So all my nephews and my nieces are here, except for my sister who is working in Israel.
Oh wow, we're gonna meet RJ's entire family. This is gonna be interesting. But guys, let's go see this part here. Wow, look at this, guys. First of all, Bahay Kubo, Nipa Hut, awesome to chill. But look at this. Oh my. It's like a beach, kind of, but it's like an inlet. This here is salt water. Ooh, I see fish there, needlefish down there. See that? Incredible. And down there you'll see like, what are they called? Fish ponds? Like they're little cages, I guess, in the water that like section off fish. I guess tilapia and stuff. Wow. Wow. What an interesting place. Ligaya, what do you think of this place? Actually, I know what she thinks of this place. She loves this place. Right when we arrived, she tried flying away like 4 times. Luckily, she had the harness on, so she couldn't fly far. Man, Ligaya, if I let you free fly and you fly all the way down there, would you come back to me? Something tells me no. I don't know. I'm afraid to try. So RJ's family's arriving in a little bit. This should be interesting. Look at the pool. I wonder if I should swim today. I wear Speedos. Flap those wings. Flap those wings. Flap those wings. Have you visited our new merch store? RJ, are these all your nephews?
Yeah.
Bless. RJ, this kid's trying to bless you. Guys, this is a Filipino tradition where all the young kids go to the elders and bless. Wow, RJ, your family's big. Mabuhay Squad, this is the dad. Hello po. And mom, hello. Yes. Of RJ. Yes. Oh my. The kids. Watching those kids makes me miss being a kid with all my cousins. Hi Jane. Yes. Who is this? What's your name?
What's your name though? JB.
JB, your nephew?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, RJ's busy here in the kitchen. What are you doing here?
Doing some magic.
Magic. Guys, this smells so good. Is this roast beef?
I guess so.
Rump roast and shrimp.
Yeah.
And I see it bubbling.
I put Sprite.
Guys, RJ put Sprite on the shrimp. Is that how you marinate it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's different. Sprite, flavored shrimp. Interesting. Guys, we also got wine. Yes, yellowtail. This here was my like training wheels for wine. I learned to drink wine in my mid-20s. And started to really drink it when I moved to French Canada, where they drink this a lot. Living in Montreal. And Yellowtail Shiraz was always my go-to wine. It's cheap and it's good. Yes. So if you'd like to get into drinking wine, I highly recommend you start with Yellowtail Shiraz. Thank you, Judith. Guys, we're chilling the wine. In Canada, this is like against the rules, but you gotta remember, we live in a tropical country, so Shiraz typically is served at like, I believe it's like 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. And right now the temperature in the Philippines is 31 degrees Celsius. So here we chill our red wines. This is an interesting party because apparently I'm eating by myself. The kids already ate before they got here. RJ's steak, guys. Oh, look how bloody it is. It's so rare. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow. RJ, that is some good steak. Wow. I'm having another piece. Love this. Look how red and bloody and fleshy. Some good steak. Time to some wine now. Ligaya, you want a piece of chicken? It's chicken. Yes. I think she likes it, guys. Don't worry, this is not cannibalism. She's a parrot, not a chicken. Yes. Like it, huh? Some good protein for ya. Guys, did you know parrots are omnivorous? They eat both plant matter and meat matter. Some species of parrots eat a lot of bugs, like in the wild. She likes it. It's just a little treat. Judith, what is this man selling? Ice buko? Oh, he's selling ice coconut. You mean like a popsicle? Interesting. Oh, and he's also selling like goggles. Okay. RJ, what is ice buko?
Popsicle.
Oh, okay, popsicles he's selling. Coconut popsicles. Interesting. He just came in and like started ringing the bell. I was wondering. All right, time to have some wine with this steak. Yes. Let's toast my boy squad to this new year. And you know what I realized? Also, this is a new season. This is the 3rd season of the vlog. I can't believe that. 3rd season of daily vlogs. That is something to toast to, guys. Why? Because it's 3 years that you and I have been together. Even if like some of you guys may be new, for those of you who are watching these daily vlogs from the beginning, trust me, I don't take you guys for granted. And all of you new Mabuhay Squad who just started watching and following these vlogs, I toast to you guys, to more blessings, to all of you who are watching in 2019. We're one big family. You can count on us, Mabuhay Squad, to be your daily dose of positive vibes. Yes, 2019. Cheers. The best year of our lives. Wow, good wine. Now some steak. Good steak. RJ can cook, yo. More chicken for the guys. Yes. Ligaya, I wish you this year lots of delicious food, lots of new words to learn, lots more godparents watching you, and hopefully your very own aviary soon when we have our new home, which is being built this year. So excited. She's really loving this chicken. Alright. Isn't chicken delicious? Birds are yummy. The dynamic of your family is different, I find. Like, RJ is very traditional Filipino family where RJ bosses everyone around who's younger than him. But that
most good looking.
RJ. But no, but like willingly though. So the younger, I guess, siblings follow what RJ says, and RJ is the one who kind of manages everything and chooses. You know, like it's just basically the way things work, I guess. In like true Filipino culture, the elders are the ones with the most power. Whereas me and my brother, we grew up in Toronto, Canada. I would ask my brother to do things, but he could choose whether or not he wanted to do it. You know what I mean? We were equals. And like, same with my parents. They would like, my dad would come look for me to like shovel the driveway of snow, and I would hide in the closet. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of a different thing. Time for scratch, scratch, scratch. Time for scratch, scratch, scratch. Time for scratch, scratch, scratch. Such a good bird. The boy squad loves you. Love you. She's laughing. Why are you laughing? Time for sleep, sleep, sleep. OMG, I just woke up.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for pouring me another wine. So do you guys speak English? Who speaks English? Micah, come Micah. I want to speak. I want to speak English to you.
Okay.
How old are you?
7.
Whoa. What grade are you?
2.
Oh. Who are your best friends in school?
Starlet.
Huh?
Starlet.
Starlet? That's her name? Oh. What is your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Math? Wow. Amazing. Let's go check up on what's going on here. Apparently, they are cooking on the barbecue. Mmm.
This is my brother.
Oh, RJ's brother. And this is brother-in-law. Hello. Oh, wow. Look at the sausages, guys. Hungarian sausage and hot dog.
This is Hungarian.
Mmm.
This is chicken.
Now, I didn't want to get close to the water. They said there are no crocodiles here, but I looked on Google and it says maybe not here on this particular beach, but on an island called Crocodile Island, which is part of this province, you'll find crocodiles. So I ain't gonna risk it, because crocodiles can swim to new places. You know what I'm saying? They can colonize new areas. Now I don't want to get close to this water. Oh, Ligaya, look, it's malunggay. Moringa, you eat this every day. Look, see? Mmm, yes, fresh from the tree. So healthy for you. She recognizes this plant. Mmm, yummy. Yes. Hopefully I get to grow one of these trees on our property so she can have as much as she wants. She seems to like it. How's the moringa here, huh? Is it good? RJ's dad is drinking coffee in the Make It Happen mug. Yes.
This is our loaf bread because we have a bakery.
Oh, you made this bread? Oh, this is the bread from RJ's family's bakery. Wow. This is Tito Romeo because RJ is Romeo Jr. and this is Romeo Sr. It's very Filipino to dip bread in coffee. Time for water. She's so thirsty. She crawled off my arm to let me know she wanted water. Now check this out, guys. I want to see if I can try to get this close up. I'm gonna pour water here on this bottle cap and watch her drink it all. Here, that tongue can literally drink up all the water in that little bottle cap. She somehow like scoops it into the bottom half of her beak, like the lower beak. See? And just like that, it's all gone. Unbelievable. The beak is such a cool thing, the guys. Here, again. I mean, and if you think about it, they need to be able to drink from small, little, you know, puddles of water. So they need some mechanism to like suck it up. Almost all done. And she didn't even spill any of it. Here, there's more here. There you go. Awesome. You're a water drinking machine. And she's so smart too. She like crawled off my arm and was looking at the bottle of water. You knew, the guys. You knew that this sip is our Mabuhay Squad water. Yes. The best water in the Philippines. Oh, RJ's mom, Tita, made this. She made this?
No, I bought it.
Oh, you bought it.
But this is my favorite growing up.
What is it?
She used to buy me in the market, palengke, local market.
What is that?
Patupat. It's,
Patupat.
yeah, it's rice cake with, I think they steam it or cook it with like brown sugar.
Oh, rice cake with brown
And
sugar.
they wrap it with like coconut leaves, I think.
Oh my. Looks like Ligaya wants some. And it's food time. Yes. Chopped up veggies. Yeah. Also in there are her pellets. Yes. But she will be eating seeds and pellets later this afternoon. Hey guys, I always make sure you have the best nutrition. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. There's Lola, the grandma of RJ. Yes.
So my Lola used to be the oldest volunteer of Philippine National Red Cross in Pangasinan.
Wow. She did a lot of charity work. RJ, I can't help but notice that you're the only light-skinned one. Why?
No, a lot of my nephews, they're like light skin.
Not as light as you. So guys, if you've never had a bird before, they are not clean eaters. Seriously. Like literally every single bird that I've ever kept has been a messy eater. Chickens, mynas, budgies, you name it. They're quite messy. Oh, thank you. Salamat. Wow, I'm liking this elderly hierarchy thing. Okay.
You don't have that?
No. The kids just do whatever they want.
This is Philippines.
Yes.
They have to follow and obey.
I rather like that rule. Ooh, quite good. Alright guys, Ligaya and I took a nap. Slept. Ooh, had a nice sleep. Did you have a nice sleep? Yes, and now we're heading back to the party. Oh, they've busted out the karaoke. Alright. Oh, see? Every Filipino party needs a karaoke machine. Hello. Oh wow, the lechon arrived. Awesome guys. Every Filipino party needs a lechon. This is basically just roast pig, but it's delicious. OMG, RJ, you're busy here in the kitchen. What are you working on? Wow, what is that?
Embutido.
Embutido? Is that like the Filipino version of like a burrito? I think so. Kind of. Or no, meatloaf. It's the Filipino version of a meatloaf. And then, oh, look at that. There's a bird in the broiler. Smells delicious. Of course, the shrimp. Has that been marinating in the Sprite all this time?
Yeah.
Oh, ham, steaming. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, RJ. Seriously, I can't wait for us to have the Mabuhay Squad kitchen when the house is done. Guys, he's gonna be in heaven. Okay, I'm going. I'm going. It's kicking me out of the kitchen. That's okay, because I'm gonna have some beer now. Hey, some ants are having nuptial flights. Fire ant queens. Yes. Awesome. It's mating season, but I can only have one Fire Nation. I can't even imagine having two. Ooh, RJ, you've been busy.
There you go.
Look, guys. Steak. You got embutido. It's so festive looking. Ham and grapes.
Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
Butter shrimp.
Butter shrimp.
Yeah.
Oh, there are two kinds. Chicken.
This is my own version of lechon.
Your own version of lechon manok. What's stuffed in there? Is that lemongrass?
Yeah.
And puto, Filipino dessert. Patupat, I guess.
Parrot game.
Come on, kids, let's eat. Come, come, come. Man, and of course this lechon. I'm gonna have some of that crispy, delicious skin. Wow, and all kids get, can I see what you guys have, kids? Candy canes. Wow, you're so lucky. I wish I was a kid again. Kuya is chopping up the lechon. Yes. OMG, guys. This is quite the treat. RJ's cooking. Let's try these shrimps that we're like marinating in Sprite. I wonder. Look at those garlic chunks. RJ's been busy. Oh my gosh, that shrimp tastes so good. That's so yummy. Ligaya, you want seafood? Are you allowed to have seafood? I don't think so. Let's try the shrimp. Oh man. So buttery. Look at all that garlic. I really should be using my fingers, but I don't want to right now. Guys, this is delicious. RJ just brought the steak too. Okay, guys. Steak. Guys, let's try it. Wow. RJ can cook. It's so rare. It's hard to cut. We actually forgot to bring like legit steak knives, so I'm cutting this with a butter knife. Seriously, I'm so tempted to just use my teeth, rip it off. Oh, wow. So good. The lechon, the pork. Oh my. First things first, the skin. Oh my god. Pork skin so crunchy. Super flavorful. Try the meat. Oh man. Yum. Alright guys, time for water. Yes. Such a good girl. Yuki, you drinking your water after eating your chicken. OMG! RJ even got cheesecake. Oh my. Oh, blueberry cheesecake. OMG, guilty pleasure. Cheesecake. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh. All I need now is coffee. It's so fluffy and creamy. Oh, so good. Okay, so they're playing a game.
Group yourself into 4.
Group yourself into 4. Group yourself into 4. That's not 4. There. Oh. Okay, I know this game. Okay, so that game they were just playing is called Duck Relay. And now they're playing... What game is this, Judith? Oh, Calamansi Relay. Alright. Wow, never played these games as a kid. Probably because we don't really have calamansi in Canada. Interesting. Okay, so they're arranged from youngest to oldest. Okay, go! Go, go, go! Yeah!
Go Calamansi!
Oh, oh! Go, go, go! So I guess if it falls, they have to repeat. They have to do it again. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, oh. What a fun game. Calamansi Relay. I wonder if my parents played this as kids. Go, 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 go. Oh! Oh! It fell. Oh, the other team won. Oh my, RJ. Did you make this cheese platter?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you tell RJ's been on many business class flights? So RJ's giving out the prizes now. What are the prizes? Is it money? Oh. RJ, is the prize money? Oh, wow. You kids are lucky. Wow. Look at the prizes.
The thicker one, huh? Which one? Okay.
Yay! Congrats.
Duck.
Who won the duck relay? These two.
Duck, sino? 1, 2,
Oh.
3.
Wow. Oh, even losers get prize. Who won Calamansi relay?
Calamansi relay. Walang madaya, ha? Calamansi relay. 1.
Okay, when I was growing up, me and my cousins had to perform to earn this money.
5.
Like,
6.
I don't know what it is, but like Filipinos, my parents and aunts and uncles in Canada, they made us work for our money.
1.
We had to sing and dance
3.
to earn our like prize money. These kids are lucky, they just need to play a game for the money. Oh wow, the big bills now. Is that thousands?
Yeah.
Oh, thousands.
They have to choose one.
Oh, they'll be blindfolded. Okay, here's another game. Wow, this is so easy for the kids to make money. It's great being a kid in the Philippines. Seriously. This is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna have some like cheese while watching this. Oh, and like kalbasa. Mmm. I'm gonna make myself a cracker sandwich with my wine. Alright, kids. Good luck. So here in the Philippines, 1,000 pesos is like that's pretty big money. $20 USD. Here 1,000 is a lot of money, right?
It's like 20.
It's like 20 USD, but like comparatively, it's like 50 bucks.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, like value-wise.
Or maybe like $100.
Or 100 bucks, yeah.
For kids, anyway.
Yeah, like 1,000 is a lot of money. RJ's generous.
Pili ka ng isa.
What's he gonna get? What's he gonna get?
Oh my gosh. Wait,
Wow, he's feeling it. I wonder if he can feel. That's
Okay,
it.
pili na,
That's the
wait.
big bill, guys. Yes! He got the big money. That's hilarious. Next. How many more 1,000 pesos is in there? 4 more 1,000 pesos. All right. Man, like when I was her age, I couldn't even fathom having a $100 bill in my hands. They're all seeking that 1,000 pesos. Come on, you can find it. You can find it, Micah. Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
Yan na? Yan na gusto mo?
Yan na.
Okay.
Yay! It was 100 pesos. Another 1,000. Oh! The brothers got the 1,000 pesos. You guys are rich now. Whenever I used to get money at like family parties, I would just give it straight to my mom. I didn't understand money.
Next. Okay, dito.
Oh, he got how much?
50 pesos.
50 pesos at least. He won 50. Yes, and give it straight to mom. I wonder if the bills do feel different. You know what I mean? Like, they're different colors, but I wonder if they each have a different texture. Okay, so they're playing again, but they're making the kids go all the way down there because the kids are helping each other, apparently. So funny. Okay, now we're talking. the kids have to perform. The traumatic Filipino tradition of having the kids perform for everybody. Oh, what she?
That my dear old school. In school, I can sing and do many other things. I can read, write, and dance. I can
Oh.
speak in France.
Oh, it's a poem.
I play.
Wow! Very good. A whole poem in English. Very good. And like, kudos to her for being the first. She deserves like big bucks. Hey! 500 pesos and a huge lollipop. Next.
Miles.
Who's next? Oh, okay. This is not so bad. This is a duet.
Miles.
Let's see this. Two-part harmony.
Gutar na palag, sundan mon akon, masimpit mon galaw, ganuan mo bilay ko, kasyan mo ak nakari, lawas ika so pinabli.
Wow, yes. RJ, give them lots of money for the double, for the harmony. That was good. Not easy. Awesome.
Seen and never finding to be your beat, and the soul fell this
Time for sleep, sleep, sleep. Time for sleep, sleep, sleep. Yeah, it's okay. She's so used to sleeping in her cage. In Manila, she's like, we're not home. It's not Kansas anymore. So what, Ligaya, you're just gonna sleep right here? Sleep right by my head? As long as you don't poo on me. What a good bird. Why are you laughing? I think she's chosen her spot to sleep. As long as she continues facing that way, she won't poo on me. But I will put maybe some kind of mat up here.
Very good.
I just love how she herself chose this side of the bed. I originally was hoping she would sleep here. I don't know why. But here's okay too. Time for sleep, sleep, sleep. Good morning, Mabuhay Squad. Yes. And good morning, you guys. Did you sleep well? Alright. She's laughing. She was kind of nervous because, I don't know, I think like she wasn't used to this room, but I was right here and I covered the lamp. She didn't want me to make it completely dark, so I just covered the lamp with her blanket and I hung her toy here. Something familiar. And then she ended up sleeping. And now she's begging for me to scratch. Time for scratch, scratch, scratch. Time for scratch, scratch, scratch. Let's eat breakfast. I love that she can just sleep there. That's the coolest part. She just chose this spot to chill for the night. I do eventually want to buy a travel cage, like a big cage that she's used to that can fit in a van for when we go, you know, to hotels and stuff. And also I want to get one of those portable perches. She has somewhere to chill. OMG, Mabuhay Squad. You guys need to see this. OMG. It's crazy.